In this tutorial, I will show you some important viewport navigation shortcuts in Blender, so let's get started. So by hitting the numpad 0, after selecting the camera like this shortcut snaps the view to the active camera shown in our tutorial. Then we have the home. By clicking the home button, as shown here, when in camera view, the camera's view will be framed so that it fits the bound. It fits the bounds of the view like this. So let's try it again. Home, using the home button. The viewport camera, we have numpad 0 frames the view to the view of the camera. We have also some other very important shortcuts like numpad 7, for example. For top view like this. Then control numpad 7, for example, control numpad 7 for the bottom view. The forefront view, hit numpad 1 like this. For the back view, hit control numpad 1. Have the back view. And the numpad 3 for the right side view like this, and control numpad 3 for the left side view. Control numpad 3 for the left side view. All these shortcuts, numpad 1 and 3, numpad 3, numpad 7, all these shortcuts snaps the view to each the directions and enables the orthographic view. So let's move on to see the other shortcuts for navigation. We have the numpad 4. This is for navigation left, and numpad 6 for the right, up numpad 8, then down numpad 2 like this. The opposite is done by numpad 9 like this. So now let me show you for navigation row shortcuts. We have left, shift, numpad 4, for example, rotates the view relative to its perspective. Just like this, by hitting shift numpad 6, it's gonna be moving this, rotating this to the original position in a reverse way, just like this. For shift numpad 6, by hitting it, it's gonna be rotating the view relative to its perspective, just like this. For the navigation pan left, you have control numpad 4. Control numpad 4 moves the camera in the specified direction, and control numpad 6 moving the camera in this inverse direction. We have also the shortcut shift B like this, and you can draw a box that the view will zoom in on, just like this. For example, shift B, and this allows us to draw a box that the view will zoom in on. In order to align the view to active top, we need the shortcut shift numpad 7, just like this. The bottom, to align the view to active bottom of this cube, we need to use the shift control 7, and to align the view to active front, we need to shift numpad 1. Shift numpad 1 like this. And for the back, shift control numpad 1. Then for the left, to to align the view to active left, we use the Shift Control number 3. Shift Control number 3, like this. The shortcut Control Alt number 0, Control Alt number 0, aligns the camera to the view like this. And we have also Shift C. We have also the shortcut Shift C to send the cursor, and Frame All moves the camera so that the whole scene is in the frame, as well as setting the cursor to the world origin. Shift C, like this. We have also the quickest way to zoom in Blender is to use the scroll wheel like this. Using scroll wheel. We can also use the numpad plus, sorry, to zoom in like this, and numpad minus to zoom out. And that's it for